Hi all, welcome to the second part of Primavera on your special request. As many of you had some queries regarding Primavera, so we are here with the second part and we will clear all your doubts regarding Primavera. So let's take up the questions quickly, and the first question is Primavera P6 easy to learn? So Primavera P6 with many of its functionalities are complicated. Yes, that's true, and it becomes complicated for the project management professionals in the beginning who are new to the software. But as soon as you become accustomed to its vital and the basic functionalities, the rest of it is pretty simple and straightforward. So quickly let's take up the second question. Who more often uses Primavera? So the project professionals in this job role, like the project planners, planning engineers, and planning managers, use Primavera more often to make their work more easier and the planning more perfect. Still watching the video? What are you waiting for? Book your seat now and upskill yourself. For more information, visit our website www.protrainy.com.